If you are a blogger, marketer, or the SEO expert like me, then this is the SEO tool you should not miss out. So the tool name is the SpiderNow. This is the website's audit, speed, and the performance tool. With the help of you can scan any website, get to know all the SEO errors or the things that is the malfunctioning your website and stopping them to rank them higher on the Google. So with this tool, you can instantly analyze your website. Crawler is super fast and help you to analyze your website and find out all the SEO errors. For example, this is the SEO errors that is currently available on my website. It is showing me my website performance, speed, accessibility, and the SEO score. These are all the top notch, but still many pages available with the SEO error. So simply if I click on the issue section here, I can identify all the issues available on the website. So hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to SaaS Guru YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about SpiderNow. This is the tool you should not miss out if you are the blogger, website auditor, or the SEO expert like me. So all you need to just add your website, scan it. Its crawler is super fast. Within the few seconds, it will scan all your website pages and start showing all the errors. And after that, you need to remove all those errors. For example, these are the unused CSS I need to remove, or the minify using the cache plugin. These are the other core issues available in my website. For example, if I click on the issue, there is the page that is no internal out link available. Some of the pages title missing, some of the pages description missing. This is the thing I need to remove. There are some pages with the 404 or the broken links available. See, there are the number of the so much links that is the broken or not available. So I need to remove that, and after that I can certainly say that my website ranking will be boosted in the Google. This is the part. So if I talk about the SpiderNow lifetime deal, it is recently introduced on the AppSumo starting from the just $59. Look at the pricing. It is so much affordable. In such affordable pricing, you are getting the personal website audit, performance, and the speed tool here. So you can audit unlimited page, and it has the unlimited crawler available that will instantly crawl your website. You can analyze your web page. It has the meta robots and the directives available. It's going to analyze in links and the outlink. It has the page status. It has the CSS tools available. Let me show all these tools so you can easily understand. If I go to the tools section, here we have the page analysis, HTML tools, CSS tools, JS tools, image tools, text tools, link checker. These are the tools I am talking about. Then there are some of the generators available for the sitemap and the htaccess. Okay, so let me talk about the pricing. Starting from the $59, this is the tier 1 plan, and here you will get the 2000 full website spider scans per month. These are basically 2000 per month for everything you are checking out in the features. Okay, and in the tier 2 plan and the tier 3 plan, you will get a lot more improved and the increased credit. For example, in the tier 1 plan, you are paying the $59, but the credits you are getting just 2000. But in the tier 2 plan, you are paying the around the 2 times. But look at the credit. This is the around 7 times extra credits you are getting. And same goes for the tier 3 plan. You will get the unlimited full website scan, link checker, code generator, SEO tools, unlimited number of times you can use it in the tier 3 plan. And there's also the 60 days money back guarantee with every softwares available on the AppSumo. Suppose you are unsatisfied or not happy with this tool, you can instantly return it and get your money back within 60 days. So this is the 2 months free trial you will get with the AppSumo. Okay, so let me give you the walkthrough and the demo of dashboard of this tool. Okay, so this is the dashboard you will get, and first here it will ask you to add your website name. So it will start scanning, and once you scan your website, it will show you all these errors. For example, this is the on page report, this is the internal link, this is the broken. You can see all these images and the links are broken on my website, so I need to remove them. And I'm certainly sure after removing all these errors, my website ranking in Google will be skyrocket. These are the redirect pages available. These are the external link issues. This is the CSS, this is the image, and this is the JavaScript. So you are getting detailed informations and the errors in your website. This is the best part. Then we have the other tools available as well. With the page analysis, you can just instantly scan your website and get to know how much faster your website in the performance and the page loading. For example, here I have added my website and clicked on the analyze. It is generating the report, so it can take some few seconds to generate the reports. Then we have the HTML tools. If your website built on the custom HTML or the custom coding, you can just find out all the errors here. This is the CSS tool, this is the JS tool, this is the image tool. Here basically you can just upload your image, optimize it, and you can make it or turn it into the WP for the better serving on your website from the server side. This is the text tool, okay, and this is the link checker. You can check out all the broken links or the link issues using this tool here. Okay, so with the Spider now you are getting the tons of great SEO tools in this single platform with the affordable pricing. Okay, so if you want to check out this tool, the link will be given in the description, and make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video of the SpiderNow review. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.